This is the 13th in a series of videos on Frederick Bastiat's book, The Law. This section is titled, The Answer is to Restrict the Law. I know what might be said in answer to this, what the objections might be, but this is not the place to exhaust the controversy of this nature. I wish merely to observe here that the controversy over universal suffrage, as well as most other political questions, which agitates, excites, and overthrows nations, would lose nearly all of its importance if the law had always been what it ought to be. In fact, if law were restricted to protecting all persons, all liberties, and all properties, if law were nothing more than the organized combination of the individual's right to self-defense, if law were the obstacle, the check, the punisher of all oppressions and plunder, it is likely that we citizens would then argue much about the extent of the franchise? Under these circumstances, is it likely that the extent of the right to vote would endanger the supreme good, the public peace? Is it likely that the excluded classes would refuse to peacefully await the coming of their right to vote? Is it likely that those who have the right to vote would jealously defend their privilege? If the law were confined to its proper functions, everyone's interest in the law would be the same. Is it not clear that under these circumstances, those who voted could not inconvenience those who did not vote?